AI technology is developing rapidly. However, outdated curricula, technology overload, and compute scarcity trap learners at the threshold of practical AI application. To tackle these challenges, metaC co-developed PCL, a new paradigm of AI education built on practice-centered learning. A comprehensive, high-quality platform with rich learning resources and full online workflows. We follow two principles. Frontier pioneers forge evolving knowledge systems, and practice-grounded pedagogy cultivates talent development. Our pioneers evolving real-time knowledge. We have a young and outstanding faculty team, deeply versed in AI frontiers and keenly attuned to tech trends. On the PCL platform, courses evolve in real time. Instructors can upload modified course content pages and display course frameworks. The student side runs simple programs based on the platform. A robust computing backbone, ensuring ample power and enhanced hands-on efficiency. We integrated a text-to-image model, enabling instant creation from textual prompts. On this basis, we implement hands-on practice-based projects. PCL collaborate with Alibaba Cloud to co-build practice labs and AI key courses pioneering industry education integration. Graduates earn Alibaba Cloud professional certifications, cultivating cross-domain innovators for the digital era. We have a diverse set of hands-on projects that help students hone real-world skills from the ground up. As technology surges, PCL redefines AI education, where ideas root in reality, and exploration arrives at the future.